Very conspicuous. Oh look, there's like a weird speeder bike thing here. It's kind of crazy.
Our first one is going to be protection and defense. This is going to be as closely related to the Old Republic as I learned it. Next is going to be peace and justice.
It's going to be right here. These are the actual pieces of scrap you'll be working with inside.
Ooh.
It's our Rancor tooth.
Rancor tooth.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Then we have our peace and justice set.
That's nice.
From there we have our protection and defense, that one right there. And then we have our power and control.
By the way, note that they have drawers to add extra.
So you're going to take this over, you're going to put it over your heart. Protection and defense. Okay. You're going to take this card.
Now this is your
within the courtyard.
credential. Put it on your left-hand side.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
We need everyone in quickly. Come through here.
I hope you didn't experience any first order entanglements getting in here this morning. Everybody all right? Yes. Good. Well, these are the gatherers that will be helping you, and you may call me Kembe. And I know all this looks like just a lot of old junk, but let me assure you of something. Some of it is new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers, because we search the galaxy for ancient relics in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find, we bring in here. So where a stormtrooper might just see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. For in these troubled times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. Now, I hope you've all heard the legends of Luke Skywalker. Yes. We hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name?
Rey.
Rey, yes. She was a scrapper just like us. And what Rey is leading, well, that is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for too long. And that is why you are here, to look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber then becomes a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. So enough talk, yes? Let's begin with perhaps the most important element of a lightsaber, the Kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber, and the color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. We've seen these in some of the greatest Jedi legends in history. The blue crystal, favored by great Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, a very beautiful and rare crystal, favored by the great Jedi Master Mace Windu. And, because there must be balance, red, often called the crystal of power, favored by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But all these are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. So it's now time for you to select your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, close your eyes. Indulge me, close your eyes and picture your Kyber crystal in your mind. What color calls to you? Remember, it is equally likely the crystal itself is choosing you. Good, open your eyes. And select your kyber crystal.
This one.
Good. Use your instincts. Excellent. Feel. Seeing things before they happen. This is a Jedi trait.
I was hoping for whites, but oh well.
Perfect. Excellent. Now, builders, carefully place those crystals in the green crystal holders in front of you. Excellent. For it is now time to begin the construction of our hilts. So the gatherers will place before you the selection you previously made. And from there,
Thank you.
the source component that will make your unique lightsaber. The hilt is really the foundation of a lightsaber. It's your center of control. Also, it's the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. So let's look at the components, beginning with the chassis. Then see on the other side of your box the activation plates. We'll choose 2 of the 4 grip selections before finally affixing the blade emitter and then the pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. The gatherers are here to help you through every part of the process. So builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Excellent. Then let's build.
Alright, so my name is Felicia and I'm going to be assisting you with your build today. We're going to go ahead and start with our chassis. You're going to want to make sure that those lines are pointed up towards the sky. Once completed, this is going to be how you hold your hilt. We're then going to take our kyber crystal and place that there in the center of our chassis. Do you need assistance with it?
Yes. There you go. Actually, hold this down.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, wow. Thank you.
And I'm just going to double check it real quick, just to make sure. There we go, perfect.
Thank you, Felicia.
Alright, so next up, you're going to go ahead and choose 1 set of activation plates. You'll see on the inside of those plates, there's either going to be a little red or a little blue square.
With those grips, you'll select any 2 out of the 4 options in front of you. But then we'll go on the top and one that will You'll notice with these days, they have this kind of.
So then next, you're going to choose any 2 of these 4 grips, 1 for the top, 1 for the bottom. Make sure that side with the thicker copper ring goes towards the activation plates.
Okay.
Alright, all you're going to do is apply a little bit of pressure and twist it in place.
Final step is what is it? Stick the pommel cap for the bottom.
Which one's the top again? It doesn't matter, right?
Whichever one you want.
Oh, and the other one's the bottom,
You're
right?
going to choose any 2 of those 4.
Okay.
The bottom.
Oh, I see. Well, I went with this one for the top. Yeah.
That is fantastic.
Thank you.
Do one final check.
Sure.
Yes. What colour crystals in it?
I was hoping for white, but it's blue.
Doc Condor may have some of those, right?
Okay.
No Doc. You just got in the yellow.
I believe so. So when Canvas says activate, all you need to slide it up and then down to deactivate, okay?
Surprised you can clear yourself.
Actually, yes, you got this. I saw a traveller just yesterday with the white lady.
Thank you.
I don't have the force, so to me that is just scrap metal.
I see. So there's something you do. So what deep inside you?
The stories they tell us about that thing are hilarious. You're supposed to believe that. 25 past Lightsaber in that thing? Couldn't be done. The Kessel Run in less than 12 parsecs? So, that is stunning, isn't it? These are some of the oldest pieces we've ever found. They could be as ancient as 1,000 generations before the Battle of Yavin. Looks amazing, sir. Absolutely stunning. What colour crystal did you choose, Melvin? Blue. Oh, yes, yes. Well, builders, congratulations. We've all completed our hilts, and nothing catastrophic or traumatic happened.
Great.
Yet. So for the next part, I would ask you all, please take a step back. Thank you, builders. Just for a moment to allow this skilled team of gatherers to complete what is the most dangerous part of the whole process. That's preparing your hilts for activation in our crystal stabilization chambers. Excellent job, gatherers. Now, builders. What's happening?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda. Then yes, it is time. Time for the bond between Builder and Saber to be forged. So in just a moment, I'll ask the builders to take a step forward. Place a hand on the hilt of their lightsaber, and then on my mark, we'll activate them together. So builders, are you ready? Yeah. Let's take a step forwards. Place a hand on the hilt of your saber. And activate. Raise your lightsabers. Oh yes, it is. For you have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith before you, and like them, you could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Good. Builders, deactivate and lower the lightsaber.
Complete your lightsabers. Now, your destiny, you see, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you now hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your new sabers, we're pleased to offer you all the saber sheath as you depart. For our time is now at an end, but yours is just beginning. It's time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time we'll be telling your story. Friends, till the spire.
Thank you.
Great day up until well done, you. Excellent.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, wow.
Congratulations.
Even with that one, remember.
Thank you. Have a magical day. Bye, Felicia. Bye. Thank you. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, I got it. Excuse me.